In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch to 4G network on your Android smartphone. For this demonstration, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10, but this process should be similar or should work on any other Android smartphone with ease. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open the settings. So when you get to settings, look for the option called SIM cards and mobile networks. This is the option. Tap on it to open. And now here you need to select the SIM card that you want to switch to 4G network. Now for instance, I have two SIM cards, SIM 1 and SIM 2. So I'll wish to switch or to set 4G network for SIM 1. So to do that, just tap on the SIM card and it will open up the settings for the SIM card. Next, go down to mobile networks and tap on it. And this will search for the available mobile networks for your SIM card. Now be patient as it searches for the available networks. It is done, and as you can see here, we have a number of networks that are available on my line 1 or on my SIM card. As you can see, currently it is set to 3G network, but I wish to switch to 4G network. So to do so, just tap on the preferred network. As you can see, we have the 2G, 3G, and the 4G. So I'll choose the 4G network. Now, if you can't find the 4G network, it means either your phone is not 4G enabled or your SIM card is not 4G enabled. For you to be able to use the 4G network, both your SIM card and your phone must be 4G enabled for this option to be available. Alternatively, I may want to go ahead and switch to automatic selection of network so that my SIM card will use the available networks depending on the area or the strength of the network that is available. To do so, just go ahead and toggle this button and turn it on. And by doing so, my phone will automatically switch to the best or to the strongest network that is available in my locality. So if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.